Very good afternoon, students. So today we are going to continue the same chapter, that is chapter 10, time. So today's our topic is time stories. So in the first question given here, Shrikant finishes his prayer every day at 8. Okay, he finish his prayer at every day at 8 and does it for 15 minutes. So Shrikant did prayer for 15 minutes. At what time does he start his prayer? Show it on a clock. So here you can see when clock has been made. Okay. So since Shrikant start his prayer 15 minutes before the 8, because he finishes at 8, so he start his prayer at quarter to 8. That means 15 minutes were left when he started his prayer. 15 minutes were left to 8 when he started his prayer. So, or we can say that we know that quarter to 8 is equals to, that also means 7 hour 45 minutes. To draw hands for 7 hour 45 minutes, we draw our hand very close to 8, little more than midway between 7 and 8. Okay, as we have discussed that whenever it is above quarter 2 was there, the minute hand is about to reach to the next number. So here timing is 7:45, that means slightly behind the number. There you will draw the hour hand and minute hand will be pointing at 9, which will shows the 45 minutes. Okay, students. Now let us see one question from exercise 10C. Nihar gets up at 7 in the morning and take breakfast after half an hour. At what time does he take his breakfast? So the timing is here, you can see here, after 30 minutes, after 30 minutes after 7, that is equals to 7 hour 30 minutes, here written now, half an hour. This means that half an hour after 7 it will be half past 7, that is 7:30. So 7:30, that means what? The number will be in between 7 and 8. Hour hand will be in between 7 and 8 and minute hand will be pointing at 6. Okay. So in this way you try to solve the other questions given on your book. Let us see one more question. Now look at the question number 3. Saina started playing video game at quarter to 4. She played for an hour. When did she stop playing? So here Saina started playing at quarter to 4 means 3:45. Okay, quarter to 4 means 3:45. She played for an hour. So for an hour, if the minute hand is pointing, she started at when it was the time, it will be slightly nearer to the 4. Okay, so at this time she started the playing and she played for 1 hour. This means that 1 hour will complete from here. 1 hour means 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Yes or no? 1 hour means 60 minutes. So from here you will count the 60 minutes. from here to here 15 minutes you will take. Then from here to here, when it will be from here to here, it will becomes half an hour. Then from here to here more 15 minutes. Then from here to here when it comes, that means this is one more half an hour. That means the time when it comes from here, when this means that when you are starting counting an hour from the point, it will complete one more circle. The minute hand will complete one more circle from here to here, where the minute hand will be again with the at the same position, but the hour hand will move from here to nearer to 5. Earlier it was at 4 and now it will be at 5. Not at 5, behind the 5. Okay, so in this way try to do the rest of the questions. If you will be having any doubt, then we will discuss in the tomorrow's Google Meet class. Okay students, all the best to you all. Thank you.